rolling, 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 rolling. That sounds about right. But no, they'll be happy. And now they might leave me alone for a while. It'll be a good time. That's his winter lair. That makes more sense. That makes a lot more sense. Oh my goodness. Basically, we've got nothing done today, which, you know, 20 billion out of 10. Love you all so much for that. 20 billion out of 10. Love that we got nothing done today. But, you know, we're gonna keep going on this. If you want to know what we're supposed to be working on today, which, you know, this never happens. We never get anything done here. We're working on a sweater for my local yarn shop, Hook and Needle. And they are so cute. I love them. So the link to the pattern is on Ravelry, and then we have a link to both of the yarns that are available as well. Supreme Dune, hello, how are you? No, I did not check the toilet. However, I found one on the kitchen counter last night behind all of the vitamins. I found one precariously hidden by the vitamins last night. So, so I did find one, just not where I expected to find one. Tried holding my crochet the way you do just for funsies, and I can't. And BK, this was a practice. This took practice. How do you hold? Because I used to hold with just the singular claw. But I have found I get better tension when I lace it through a couple fingers. Cereal for dinner, hell yeah, what kind of cereal? And also, Mousy, thank you for the crown. I appreciate you, babe. And while everybody's here, can we get an exclamation point mod love to say thank you? Because Mousy is doing this while also at her mother-in-law's. So, like, the amount of the amount of multitasking going on right now. All of the love for Miss Cutie Mousy. I appreciate you so much. Rice squares, solid though. Solid breakfast, actually. Good old rice squares. Those are good. Yeah, please do, BK. Please do. D-Gen love. Yeah, Klaus, we need to make that link to the same thing. I'll do that at some point. I'll make it link to the same thing. But friends, we're having a fun time today. I don't know if everybody's here having fun with me, but I'm loving hanging out with all of you. This is how I like my weekends to go. This is the best way to spend a weekend. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I had a dream of how to spend a day, this is it. This is really it. It's amazing. And that sounds so strange. Because normally you'd be like, well, wouldn't you want to go outside and do stuff? Yeah, sure, maybe, but do I get to hang out with every single one of my friends while I'm doing that? No? Poo on them. Poo on that whole situation then. I'd rather go online and hang out with my friends. You all are friends because you're here. If you show up and you like hanging out with us, you're a friend. I missed the decrease and 2 rows back on my round beanie. I'm not confident in my ability to go back and still keep track of everything. Is this beanie for yourself?